the truth.
Welcome back to another BobbyBot video. Today we're going to be installing Office 365 for free. So let's get right into it. Okay, so first you go to the URL that's in the description, and then you need to enter in a school address. If you don't, you can go to this time on the screen right now. But if you have a school account, you can just put it in here. Keep in mind that you can use a college account too, just any school account. Alright, so I have my school account in there. Press get started. I'm a student, and you can sign in, and then you can put in your password, confirm it's you. And the screen might look different for you depending on what school it is, but just put in the password however it looks like, and then doesn't matter what you put there, and then got it. So when you get to this page, it might look a little different depending on what school again, but all we need to do is install Office from this point, and then you can either install Office 360 apps or other install options. I personally just do Office 365 apps, so just install that and wait for this to be done. Open up the setup, and I don't think you can see this, but you have to trust it. Press yes. Alright, my recording got corrupted, but we're back and we're installing Office. This might take a while, just wait, and should be done loading soon. Alright, when it's done installing, you press close that, and then go to your desktop, or no, not desktop, you search here, Office, and then you have the app, open that up, and then you can open up anything you want. You have Outlook, OneDrive, Word, Excel, whatever. So if you want like a shortcut on the desktop, you can click this. So when you open up Word or anything you want to be a shortcut, you can open up Task Manager. When it's open, right click it, open file location, and then this should pop up, and then the one that's highlighted, you should right click and make a create shortcut, and then you can, and it's on the desktop now. You can rename it to whatever you want. I'm gonna rename it to Word, and you have Word. You can do that with any other one, Excel, Outlook, and that's it. So if you don't have a school account, then you can go to the URL I have in the description. Go to that. You can type in any email and password. Boom, you have Word, and you can have a new document. You can open up new documents, and that's it. The only downside to this is that you can't, it's like harder to use a little, it's kind of harder to use, and that's basically it. Remember to subscribe, like, comment. If you're new around here, make sure to subscribe, and yeah.